Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it is important to know that I'm here to help you prepare for your IELTS speaking exam with tips, strategies, and sample answers. In today's video, we're going to dive into an important cue card topic that many of you might get in the exam. I'll be sharing a well-structured response that you can use as a guide to prepare your own answer. So, if you're aiming to score high in the speaking section, make sure to watch till the end and don't forget to take notes. Please subscribe our channel for latest cue cards.
Describe something you do to keep fit and healthy. What is it? When do you do it? Who do you do it with? Why is it important to keep fit and healthy? How does it help you to keep fit and healthy? Walking in the morning is one thing I do frequently to maintain my health and fitness. Every day at around 6 in the morning, I typically take a vigorous and brisk walk in a local park. For the past 2 years, I've made this a habit, and I make every effort to stick to it unless there's poor weather or I'm feeling under the weather. My cousin, who also likes to be active, typically goes with me. We both put on our athletic shoes, bring a water bottle, and go for a 45-minute stroll. There is a garden nearby, so in order to feel more refreshed after the walk, we occasionally also perform simple breathing or stretching exercises. I see many people there, as some do yoga, others cycling, as the garden has open gym which is well equipped where people do work out. Walking is, in my opinion, one of the most straightforward yet efficient types of exercise, particularly for those like myself without access to a gym or a lot of equipment. It strengthens the heart, promotes better blood circulation, and calms the mind. I've noticed an improvement in the quality of my sleep and an increase in energy throughout the day since I started walking on a daily basis. Additionally, before a hectic day starts, this daily ritual allows me to mentally unwind and connect with nature. Walking with someone keeps me motivated to be regular and adds a social element. The morning is full of tranquility as there is no noise of horns, rather the chirping of birds is quite pleasant. In today's stressful lifestyle, doing some physical activity is very important not only for the body but also for the mind. For this reason, I believe that taking a morning walk is crucial to maintaining my health and happiness.
Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and resources on mastering English. Leave a comment below with any questions or topics you'd like me to cover next. Good luck with your IELTS preparation, and see you in the next video.